nice weather today. Normally like in the morning raining and windy, but today we are going to Ubud.
And it's nice weather today.
Yeah, so we will go to a club actually. Oh, there is a club in Ubud.
Well, yeah, but it's not a beach club, okay? It's not like a beach. We don't have a beach in jungle, but it's like a jungle river kind of club.
So this club actually just reopened in Ubud, and then we will see, because in Instagram it's very Instagrammable spot. So check this out, guys. Pay the ticket. The ticket costs you around 20k. So it is called Singa Waterfall. Let's see how is the waterfall down there.
Alright, so we arrived. We are going to the Moi River Club.
Can you hear the sound of the music actually? Yeah, so this is the river club actually.
Next to the waterfall.
Yes, next to the waterfall. The name of the waterfall is Singa Waterfall. And then we will see, because in the Instagram it's very famous, but I don't know what is it.
We never been here actually. It's the first time, so yeah, let's see. Check this out. See you down there.
Waterfall or Singa Waterfall, so this is how it is actually. But if you are coming from that way, yeah, it's called Waterfall. But if you are coming from this way, like where we pass, it's called Singa Waterfall. Well, actually that this is the same waterfall, but only because of the different point of view they call it different. And as you see how it is now. Oh, look at the rainbow over there. Did you see that? Yeah, so nowadays, like, there are so many restaurants, so many clubs that is built just surrounding this waterfall. Well, I don't know what to say. In one side, I feel okay. In another side, I feel like, yeah, I don't know what to say. Maybe you guys can comment below, what do you think about the building of the club just close by the river and the waterfall?
By the way, so yeah, like Winnie said, exactly like this. And honestly, I was here, I was stand up somewhere here when was completely nothing around few years ago. Now it's completely different, and yeah, I will don't put my comment after that. Just comment below what do you think and what is your thoughts.
The local warung actually just next to the, what is it, the waterfall. this small warung is just in between two big river club. So if I know this warung, I just come here. So they sell local food, many things, rujak, cigarette, but I'm not smoking. And then chippy for Damian. And this one, nabi bu, sell melab-lab. I don't know what is it. Sweet cassava.
Oh my god, so hot, I'm so sweaty already.
So this sweet cassava is so good. This is
We are
like Balinese love it.
so actually we are sitting on the border between two banjars, right? Two banjars or agency?
Two village.
Two villages actually.
Yeah. So and two different this sub district actually. So this is the border. If you there turn right over there, that's the Blangsinga village, and then Sabah district. But on this opposite way, this is Teganungan. Desa Teganungan Pak ya? Mananya? Desa Teganungan and Sukawati ya Pak ya? Sukawati sub-district. Lucky that we find a small warung here. I like to go the small warung with the cheaper price.
Alright, that's how it looks.
Actually, that how it is the situation, how her life when the this place is closed for 3 months and there is no tourists at all. And I asked her, so how could you survive and everything? And she explained to me like she got a bantuan, she got a food help from the government of the Gianyar Regency. That's really good. Thank you for the government. So yeah. Now it's so lucky that the place, this tourist place, actually it's open. So yeah, she can sell the food and everything. So tired actually walking up from the waterfall. Now we decided to check in one hotel in Ubud. They have a special price actually for staying for 1 night, and let's see how is the hotel. Follow me. Now it's checking up time.
Alright, so we just arrived to the Greenfield Hotel Resort in Ubud. Winnie is doing the payment and paperwork. It's quite nice hotel actually. Never been here. Very good price. Later we're gonna tell you. Swimming pool. I think here's the restaurant. That's the lobby area. Very nice situation over here.
Actually, this is the deluxe room that we book. As you see, we have a bathtub, special bathtub here. Look, oh my god, I can't wait. Oh. So yeah, this is our room, deluxe room, and then this is the toilet, as you see, and this is the shower room, and then yeah, they have a wardrobe. Let's see what's inside. Oh, I want to change later on. Look at this one.
Oh, nice.
Nice. Umbrellas and safe box.
I think it's refurbished hotel, yeah?
This is very nice hotel. And then the hotel amenities and everything. So yeah, this is the room with the bed is so comfy. Wow.
Nice.
And then the most important thing, they have a fridge.
And TV.
Always cola inside. And they have a TV. And they have a coffee, drinks, and yeah, the balcony with the swimming pool view and the rice paddies over there. So nice. So if you ask me how much is it that I paid, I'll show you the receipt. So I paid around 350k. This one.
Yes. So it's actually about $25 US.
Wow. Then don't forget, this is included breakfast. For two breakfast for two. Well, so if you're curious, what is the name of the resort? So this is the name of the resort is Greenfield Resort and Villas in Ubud.
Right, so that's how it looks, our room, as Winnie showed you. Now it's for me, it's time for go to swimming pool. Winnie have to have a meeting. Yes, honey? So she's already ready. I'm gonna jump to the pool. And also one thing, interesting fact, probably many of you guys thinking why we quite often coming to the hotels, especially in Ubud or somewhere, right? Yes, honey?
Yeah, so well actually as you know that we live in a house shared with my brothers. So our house in Denpasar, we have a shared house. Like we sleep at the second floor, my brother sleep at the first floor. So we both already agreed that
as we're not gonna share the
we're not gonna show the house in the room because we appreciate my brother's privacy, you know.
Yeah, that's the agreement actually with him, and that's why actually many of you also asking why you never show your house. That's mostly the main reason. Obviously, in the future,
it's normal. Like you know, my dad, my mom bought the house in Denpasar, so this is our family house, and they let us, you know, just like live still together because we have quite a big house, and then the second floor. Yeah, we stay in the second floor, so.
Yeah, that's how it look, and basically that's the main reason. However, in the future, if we're gonna buy house or villa, for sure, we'll show you around. But at the moment,
we are not able to buy a villa yet. I'm so sorry.
At the moment,
we're just a normal person, you know. Like we appreciate my brother's privacy.
Yeah, even
otherwise he will be grumpy.
That's true, and he's the big boy actually. Big man actually. I know the Balinese people are small, he's very big guy. And yeah, that's how it looks, the situation. However, if in the future we're gonna buy or something, we will show you. And we are just simple people. Even we travel quite a lot, or staying in the hotels, or owning the car, but we are just
it doesn't mean that we are rich.
Yeah, doesn't mean they are rich or super fancy something. Okay, anyway, it's the time for the...
I need to work, and Damian, you need to chill, enjoy the hotel and everything. So
yeah. Actually very nice hotel. I'm so sorry for the sound quality. I'm recorded by GoPro right now only. However, as you can see, it's really nice and the water is warm. It's quite beauty hotel, but very nice. I think it's new or refurbished. I'm not sure. However, the sad thing is only even is still quite a lot of people, as you saw yesterday in Kuta. Here only 3 or 4 rooms, because I saw somebody checking right now. So let's say 4 rooms only. Not so busy, restaurant is closed, unfortunately. However, it's actually good to enjoy. You have like a public pool only for yourself. So I will just enjoy a little bit. Anyway, check this out over here behind me. Looking nice.
So we already finished, Damian already finished swimming and I already finished working, so it's time to have a dinner actually.
And guess what we're gonna have for dinner?
Pizza time!
Okay, let's go. Show you the new place for pizza in Ubud. So we just arrived to the pizza Bagus, literally 2 minutes from the hotel, so actually we could even walk, but this is Bali, you not walk here, right? Everywhere you go. And yeah, that's how. Let's see how's the pizza here. I never had the pizza here, but I passed this place millions of times, so worth to try.
Alright, so this is how it is, you know, like whenever you go to restaurant right now for the health protocol, so they just give you the menu, you need to scan it, you have to scan like this, and then we will open the menu, look, so like this. So our pizza is here actually. So I just want to say, told you like this pizza Bagus was built around 1996. So when I was small, so this pizza is very famous and very legend in Ubud. Alright, so we already had our dinner actually. When we came, a little bit quiet and in that place, but now when we, you know,
when we left so busy. I mean, like a full house, almost full house.
Yeah, so now we are in Ubud Center actually. As you see here, I'll show you, it's raining. Yeah, nowadays it's raining in Bali. Wherever you go will be rain.
Rainy and dark actually.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go around Ubud Center because I'm very curious if it's as busy as was yesterday in Kuta, but currently I already can tell you as it's not as busy. And actually why was so busy yesterday in Kuta? That's quite a good question.
Yeah. So yesterday you were seeing that in Kuta is super busy, and then I know that this holiday we will see how it is in Ubud. Is it the same as busy as Kuta or probably more quiet?
Yes, and we got also quite a lot of questions if the borders are open or something. No, that's only local people from different islands mostly, like a domestic tourist only was in Kuta yesterday. I was only one bullet. Maybe not really one bullet, but was really not so many foreigner tourists, only local people. Right, so we are back to hotel. It was actually quite rainy in Ubud.
Yeah, it was a big raining in Ubud actually, and then yeah, nothing to do in Ubud Center.
Yeah, it's very quiet actually to compare to yesterday.
Yeah.
So I think that will be enough for today's vlog, and something tomorrow, new one like always. See you, take care.
Alright, so now we are actually in pizza Bagus. What was it later?
You're tired because of too much work, honey?
Dileto.